Hey, if you're looking to start a gas station and you'd like to know how many customers are coming to your competitor's gas station, I'm going to show you in this video where you can get that kind of data, as well as some other key competitor and market research data that can be helpful in your kind of business planning and startup planning process. So I'm going to show you how you can find data like seasonality for gas stations. So when's the high point of the season, when's the low point in terms of customer traffic. We're going to look at what keywords your customers, your potential customers might be searching for to find a gas station that they can go to. What keywords are they using? Which ones might be the best opportunity for you to try to rank for and drive customers to your particular gas station? And we're going to look at customer heat map data for your competitors. So we're going to see your competitor and where their customers are coming from, where they live. And so that will help you determine where you might want to locate your particular gas station, where there might be a gap in the market. I'm going to walk through all of this using our example market research report here and show you how you can get this data through a series of free tools as well as some premium tools as well. So before I jump in though, let me just provide a little bit of background. My name is Adam Huxama. I'm the co-founder of Projection Hub, and we help clients create financial projections for their business through our library of about 100 industry-specific financial projection templates. And what we found over the years is that good market and competitor research is often the foundation for a realistic set of financial projections. And so what we're doing is to show clients how we do market research so that hopefully you can do this on your own as well. We have a gas station financial projection template that relies on the number of customer visits to help estimate revenue. And so it's important that we get as reliable of customer traffic estimates as possible. And so we're going to put a link to that gas station projection template in the description of the video below. And if you stick around to the end of the video, as a thank you, we're going to give you a discount code to be able to get a discount at checkout on that particular projection template as well. And so we hope that this market research and the projection template is going to be helpful as you're trying to raise capital from lenders and investors to open your gas station. So with that, let's go ahead and dive into this report. Okay, so we are going to start by looking at the market demand, and we are assuming that we're going to start Energy Express Fuel in the Indianapolis, Indiana area. And the first thing we're going to look at to estimate market demand is use a tool called Google Keyword Planner, which provides search traffic estimates for relevant keywords that potential customers might be searching for. And so obviously our customers might be looking for gas stations. So we see that in the Indianapolis area alone, the keyword phrase gas station receives approximately 9.1 million monthly searches from individuals in the Indianapolis area. And you can see the bid, the cost per click bids here. The low end is 85 cents per click and the high end is $1.80 per click. So this is a range of what your competitors would be paying to get a click to their website or their Google My Business profile page. So directions to their gas station, for example, to help drive customers that direction. So we can also see here a list of other related keywords. This is all from Google Keyword Planner tool, which is again a free tool. You can see things like people are searching for gas prices near me, gas near me, cheap gas near me, and all of these are in the Indianapolis area. So we have the location in Google Keyword Planner set to Indianapolis, and we can see the 3-month change, a year-over-year change in terms of search volume, and then how competitive those keywords are going to be from a cost of advertising perspective. So this gives you some idea of which keywords might be the most expensive to try to advertise for. Now, we can also look at the seasonality for your potential business here. And so what I like to use for that is another free tool called Google Trends. If you go to Google Trends, you can type in a search phrase like gas stations near me and set that for the United States. And over a 5-year period, you'll be able to see these kind of ups and downs in seasonality. And what we see here is February is consistently the lowest search volume, and the summer tends to be the high point of the season, according to this Google Trends data. Next thing we can look at is an analysis of our target location. So say we have a building that is going to be the building for the gas station that's maybe already in existence, and then we're going to renovate that and actually build the gas station on that property. Now, this building has been empty, and so it's not going to be all that helpful to get foot traffic estimates to an empty building. But what we can do through our partner at Advan Research here is we can look at that target location. So let's say this is our proposed location, but next door is a strip mall and it shares a parking lot. And the strip mall does have reliable foot traffic estimates. And so we can see here that the strip mall had an estimated 11,000 visitors per month. We can also see that foot traffic over the last 12 months and the change compared to the prior year. So that can be pretty useful in just understanding how many people are nearby your proposed gas station location. I think maybe even more useful than your particular location and the nearby foot traffic is to look at competitor foot traffic. So we're going to say a BP gas station that's nearby is going to be our key competitor that we're going to look at. And they're estimated to have roughly 18,810 customers per month visit their store, and they rent approximately 6,600 square feet, according to the Advan research data. And we can see that here. And we can also see that in this example, this is a new gas station. So there was very little traffic to this location on the map. And then obviously they opened the gas station, and we can see that growth in monthly visits here as well. And so that can be interesting for you to see for your competitor. We can also look at customer heat map data for your competitor, so we can see where your competitors' customers live. So this is a map of the BP gas station that we think is a potential competitor. The red dot is the competitor location, and the blue represents where their customers live. And so if we're thinking about opening our location here in the Fishers, Indiana area, we can see that not many customers are actually making the trip all the way from Fishers to this BP. So there may be an opportunity in the market to locate farther north in that Fishers area. We can also look at demographic data. And this is another free data source provided by census.gov. And so you can get information like per capita income, median household income, and other key demographic data points that can help you understand if this is a good location for your gas station business. So I hope that's been helpful and kind of seeing what kind of data is available and where you can find some of this information. And ultimately, again, we're doing this to try to take this data and build it into a financial model to help us create a set of projections that is going to help us convince potential investors and lenders to provide us the funding we need to get the business started. And so we've put a link to that financial projection template in the description of the video below, as well as a link to our market research report. So if you've gone through the video and you've said, boy, this is useful information, but I don't want to do all this research myself, I'd like someone to just do it for me, we can do that for you. And so you can go to that link and purchase our market research report service as well. And then finally, while you're down there, there will be another link in the description to a form that you can fill out for a discount code. As promised, as a thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, you can fill out that form and we'll email you a discount code that you can use as our thank you. So I hope that's been helpful. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com. Thanks.